In this video, I'm about to show you how to easily learn Thai in Memrise. If you want to learn Thai with Memrise, then your online personal AI language tutor will teach you how to speak Thai like a local. Start by opening the Memrise website and searching for Thai courses. It finds you thousands of authentic video lessons to learn Thai, featuring the exact words you've just learned. Memrise teaches you Thai vocabulary through lessons based on your interests. It provides you with unlimited human-like conversation practice to improve your Thai learning. Determine your learning goals, whether you want to focus on speaking, reading, or understanding. Setting specific targets can help you keep motivated. Consistency is key. Set aside time each day to practice, even if it's just for a few minutes. You can join Memrise forums or groups to connect with other learners. Engaging with others can provide support and additional resources. If you want to access additional features, you can choose the Memrise Pro plan. Memrise focuses primarily on vocabulary and phrases, which may not provide enough cultural context or a deeper understanding of Thai customs, traditions, and social norms. Thai is a tonal language, and while Memrise includes audio, it may not adequately teach users how to recognize and produce tones correctly. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.